Today we're going to do 5 easy card designs using Derivan Kindy Glitz. Draw your designs onto the card using a lead pencil. Once you've got your design drawn out and you're happy with them, it's time to start tracing them with Derivan Kindy Glitz. Derivan Kindy Glitz comes in 24 colours. In this card we're doing with the Christmas holly, we're using the green for the leaves and the dusty rose for the holly. The great thing about Derivan Kindy Glitz is it comes with this drawing nib that makes it so easy to trace designs like this onto a card. Card number 1, Christmas holly. The next one we're going to do is a beautiful sparkly snow globe design using the rainbow crystallina there and coming in with the Aztec gold colour. Card number 3 is a sparkly red cherry using the red Kindy Glitz. Now you want to embellish it with some silver to give it a bit of interest. See how easy it is with that nib to get those dots in. Now all we need is a leaf for the cherry and number 3 card is done. So moving right along, our next card is going to be a beautiful little sparkly angel. In this card we're using the crystallina to do the outline of the angel. Perfect for the halo. Derivan glitter glue is a perfect way to create Christmas glitter on your cards. Derivan Kindy Glitz is packed with a lot of glitter, which makes it perfect for glitter craft. We've finished with the crystallina and now we're just finishing off the card with the orange. And using the dusty rose glitter to fill in the cheeks. Design number 5 is a glittery peace dove for Christmas. It's perfect using the silver on the black there because it really punches it out. We'll just finish that off there. Follow the line around. Now all the dove needs is some aqua green foliage and there you have it. 5 simple card designs to get ready for Christmas. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more glitter craft inspiration.